Discover the Dyson Outsize Plus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Dyson Outsize Plus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate solution for tackling household messes with ease. Designed to make cleaning less time-consuming and more effective, this vacuum is a must-have for modern families seeking efficiency and innovation in one powerful package. Equipped with Dyson's largest intelligent cordless system, the Outsize Plus features enhanced suction power and impressive battery life. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, it efficiently handles extensive cleaning tasks, making it perfect for homes with pets and active kids. This vacuum boasts laser illumination to reveal hidden dust, ensuring nothing is left behind. The Laser Slim Fluffy trademark head captures microscopic particles on hard floors, while the Digital Motor Bar trademark XL handles carpets with deep cleaning power, showing Dyson's commitment to truly intelligent design. The Outsize Plus includes a 25% wider cleaner head and a 150% larger bin, allowing for more coverage and fewer interruptions. Its ability to transform into a handheld model means you can easily tackle car interiors, stairs, and tight spaces, proving its versatility in every cleaning scenario. Offering advanced whole machine filtration, this vacuum traps 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns, promoting a cleaner home environment. The washable filter reduces waste, aligning with eco-friendly practices for sustainable living. Grab your Dyson Outsize Plus today, available for $726.31 with only 12 units in stock. Experience the blend of technology and convenience, backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, ensuring your family enjoys a clean home effortlessly. Order now and redefine your cleaning experience.